Sir, clarification lang po. Yung answer ad cautelam ni VP asserts that the fourth impeachment complaint should be dismissed. Paano ipaprocess po yun ng impeachment court? So pwedeng pagbotohan na kung dapat bang i-dismiss based on the answer ad cautelam?
Posible yon, pero ayokong pangunahan ang impeachment court. Iyan din yung parehong ni-raise ng Vice President sa Korte Suprema. Sa pagkakaunawa ko, base again sa newspaper reports at hindi pa base sa answer mismo. Hindi ko pa kasi nababase. I think it's the same issue raised in the Supreme Court based on the one-year ban, one-year bar rule.
So posible po, so kung pagbobotohan po, SP, simple majority lang, it can be dismissed by a simple
Ulitin ko,
majority.
simple majority ang kinakailangan sa lahat ng botohan, 2/3 ang kailangan to convict or acquit. But it begs the question, kung may simple majority ka to dismiss, for example, then imposible ka na maka 2/3. Hindi ba?
Correct.
It's simple math.
Kung manalo yung motion to dismiss, wala ng trial?
Hindi, kung manalo nga yung anumang motion is by simple majority. Kung pagbobotohan man yun, clearly, walang 2/3 if ever. Di ba? Math would dictate that outcome.
Sir, lahat po ba ng senators may copy na yung answer?
Pinadala na sa kanila electronically kahapon. Nanghingi lang ako ng hard copy dahil hindi ako makabasa ng electronic copy.